Today,
we are going to take this
to this. Nice and tidy-whitey. No, nice and tidy. Tidy-whitey. Where does it come from? There's quite a bit to like about this little shed. It's only an 8x12 shed. When I built it, then I asked a couple of knowledgeable friends what they thought, and the advice was make sure that you make it twice as big as you think you need, and then it'll still be too small. They were right. But what I love about this little shed is that everything that you see, except for the tin on the roof and the sheathing underneath the siding, is lumber that was milled from trees here on the 40 Acre Wood. That's a lot of fun. I set up my little workstation here and just brought my chop saw up, my old chop saw, and I took a board off the ground there that's been sitting for who knows how long. And I just cut them into 16.5-inch lengths for the shelves. Measure this so the top is a foot off the sill, the bottom of the sill. As you can see, this is just some almost throwaway boards. It's kind of twisted and not very straight, had some wing left on it. It's great for shelves. Check for level. I took a couple measurements and found out that I needed the long end for the supports to be just 12 inches. And rather than measure all the time, I just use this as the template. Slide it up there at the end, bring my blade down, let this bump up against it. That's the right length. And using the same one, flip the board so you never have to change the angle here. This is set at 45 degrees. Slide up the blade, make the top. Now it's just a matter of stacking these guys up and figure out stacking these guys up and you got support. I like it. Downside is not being able to see exactly just easily what's up there, but I can see that. Look at the ends, and I can see what's stacked up there. Man, that cleans that up. That's a bunch good. Now there's good grammar for you, folks. A bunch good. I like it a lot. Well, that worked out good. This is all the waste that I had just from scrap wood. That never happens. Might have to mount that somehow. Have a decent little slash pile going here. It's been tough. We've had such a wet several days and then cold, it just froze. I couldn't even get it started. Somehow this took off today and it's nice, toasty. This fire's burning right down. I like it. It's the way it ought to be. Burning hot, burning clean. Leave it. and pushing everything from the perimeter into the center, you get a very small footprint. That's probably only 5, maybe 6 feet at the widest point. Good stuff. I have seen a lot of videos on these portable power stations. I've never seen one up close, just on the videos. And they look like they're a good deal, but boy, when I've checked into them, you're gonna spend an arm and a leg for those doggone things. I don't know why. It doesn't make sense to me, especially when you can buy for 1/5 the cost of some of these that I've seen. This Honda EU2000i, I think they still make them. Really a fine little generator. It starts up easy. Honda engines, you know, are the best. I've put together our cabin, our whole cabin, this little shed, and any number of other projects around here with that little generator. It's just a champ. Worth every dime. Plus it's quiet. And this little pancake compressor, bought it used. Don't even know who made it. Let's see here. Porter cable pancake compressor. And it too has worked like a champ the whole time that I've used it. Same thing, cabin, shed, any other number of projects that I've had. Those two little guys have done the job.